Alright, the last type of problems we're going to see with functions are on tables, so where you should be able to interpret function notation using a table as well. So it says, use the table to answer the questions that follow. The function h of a represents the average height of boys that are a years old. So a represents how old a certain boy is. So it lists the boy's age, and then their average height in inches as they grow older. So use the table to evaluate the function at each value. Explain what each means in terms of the problem. So a, the first question is asking for h of 7. So if I look at my table, I'm looking for my input when my age is 7. What does that mean? So at 7 years, the height is 44 inches. So at 7 years old, a boy's average height is 44 inches. The next question asks at h of 11. So if we look at h of 11, it's 53. So at 11 years old, a boy's average height is 53 inches. And the last piece, at 15, the average height is 61 inches. So at 15, 61 inches. You can also work in the reverse. If I give you the output value, you can tell me the input or what year a typical boy would be at that height. So if you look at the first one on the bottom, it says h of a for 51. So which value of a, what age do I have to be to have 51 inches? So if you look at your table, my inches are the second column, so I'm looking for 51. At 51, I'm 10 years old. So 10 years will give you a height of 51 inches. The next question asks for the output of 26 inches. So you find the output of 26, and you say what input value gives you that output. And the input value for that is 1. So 1 year. The next question asks for 44. So what is the input for 44? The input is 7 years. So you have to be 7 years old to have an average height of 44 inches. Last one is 59. So what is the input at 59? It's 14 years. Now try the stations and the practice problems involving interpreting function notation using graphs, tables, and equations.